You park your car and walk away, but there's always that little thought. Will it be safe while you're gone? Nobody wants to come back to scratches, dents, or worse, with no clue about what happened. That's why parking mode dash cams are such a game changer. They don't just record while you're driving, they keep watch 24/7 and step in with crucial evidence the moment something goes down. In this video, we're checking out the 10 best dash cams built for round-the-clock protection, each offering its own way to keep your ride secure. Updated prices and purchase links will be in the description. Make sure you're subscribed, and let's get started. Kicking things off with the Torvo TD3, and for the price, this one really punches above its weight. You get sharp 4K video up front and full HD in the rear, which is more than enough for plates, signs, and unexpected moments on the road. But the real standout here is its parking mode. Once the car is parked, the cam jumps into action if it detects motion or impact, recording the event even with the ignition off. That means whether it's a late-night hit-and-run or someone nudging your bumper in a busy lot, you've got it on record. The G sensor also gives you 3 levels of collision sensitivity, so you can set it how you like. It comes bundled with a 64GB B memory card and 5 GHz Wi-Fi, letting you pull footage straight to your phone through the app. No need to mess with SD cards. Another perk is the built-in GPS, something most budget dash cams only offer through the mount, but here it's integrated and accurate. Sure, the rear cam isn't 4K, but at this price, the package is hard to argue with. While pricier models on our list bring extra bells and whistles, the Torvo TD3 delivers the core premium features, 4K recording, proper GPS, and dependable 24/7 parking mode, without draining your wallet. Next on the list is the Nexar One, and this isn't your typical dash cam. It's more like a connected security system for your car. On the road, it shoots sharp 4K video with a Sony Starvis sensor, so you get clear footage day or night. But where it really shines is in parking protection. With built-in LTE, the Nexar One stays online 24/7, letting you check in on your car no matter where you are. If there's movement, a door ding, or even a collision while parked, it instantly records and sends you a real-time alert through the app. That's the kind of reassurance people want when leaving their car overnight. Families especially like the peace of mind knowing evidence is always accessible if something happens. The trade-offs? It depends on cellular coverage, so in a dead zone the connection can falter and there's no physical storage. It's all cloud-based, which means a subscription cost. Still, for anyone who values remote access and smart parking surveillance, the Nexar One delivers round-the-clock protection you can trust. Now, stepping into premium territory, the Thinkware U3000 is built for drivers who want the full package: strong safety features on the road and dependable protection when parked. For recording, it uses a Sony Starvis 2 sensor with Super Night Vision 4, so even on dark back roads, you're getting sharp 4K video. But its real edge in parking mode comes from the dual radar system. Instead of burning through your battery, the radar quietly detects movement in front of or behind the car while drawing very little power, so your vehicle can stay guarded for days at a time. When something gets too close, a pedestrian, a passing car, or even an impact, the camera wakes instantly to capture it. Drivers appreciate how reliable it feels, knowing they can leave their car in a dim lot overnight and still have coverage. On the road, ADAS alerts add another layer of safety by warning about lane departures or possible collisions. The only nitpick some mention is that headlights can look a little blown out in recordings. Still, for a parking mode that's efficient, smart, and designed for true 24/7 protection, the U3000 stands out as one of the most advanced picks available. For drivers who want nothing short of crystal clear coverage, even while parked, the VIOFO A229 Pro is tough to top. It's the first dash cam to pull off true 4K recording in the front and 2K in the rear at the same time, both powered by Sony's Starvis 2 sensors. That level of detail makes license plates readable from farther away. Huge if you ever need proof from a hit and run. HDR runs across both lenses too, keeping exposure balanced in tough lighting conditions where lesser cams tend to fall apart. Parking mode here depends on a hardwire setup, but once connected, it runs smart by kicking in only when it detects motion or impact. Sure, the installation takes more effort. You've got to properly route cables and set it up carefully, but the result is dependable surveillance while your car's off. It also comes with voice control for hands-free operation and a quad-mode GPS system that nails down precise tracking. The drawbacks? Price is on the premium side, and setup takes patience. But if you want nothing less than razor-sharp evidence and reliable 24/7 parking protection, the A229 Pro is built with that in mind. The Miofive S1 Ultra shows you don't have to overspend to get strong parking protection with sharp recording quality. It delivers true 4K from both the front and rear, which is rare at this price. Its wide aperture lenses do well in daylight and low light, pulling in the details you'd need if your car gets bumped at night. And since it runs on a supercapacitor instead of a battery, it stays reliable in extreme heat or cold, important for a dash cam that may be on watch 24/7. Parking mode activates when motion is detected, recording events automatically so you've got coverage when the car is unattended. Built-in GPS keeps your speed and routes logged, and the clear IPS display makes checking clips on the spot simple. Wi-Fi transfers are quick, though some users mention the mount can loosen over time, affecting the angle. Another quirk is the rear camera's 25 FPS limit in 4K, but dropping it to 14 to 40 ppi smooths things out. Those small trade-offs aside, the Miofive S1 Ultra offers dependable round-the-clock monitoring at a price that makes sense for everyday drivers. That's a wrap on our video covering the 5 best dash cams with parking mode for 24/7 surveillance. Which one would you trust to keep watch over your car? Drop your pick in the comments. We'd love to hear it. And as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on more videos just like this.